We're back with Myka. We've got her on a little field trip, so we're still working on getting her to walk. And we're going to start her with the down later today. So that's going to help a whole lot with the jumping. And we're not going to have a sit or anything, but when we come to a stop. But the overwhelming thing here, especially after you told me she tore the leash out of your hands, is we're saying to her, I don't want this leash made tight. So once she's got that in her mind, then we're adding the heel and all that. So remember that buzzing sound indicates the pager. Myka, heel. Heel. Using that pager to turn her. Heel. See how loose I'm keeping the leash. Heel. Good. Good girl. Heel. Heel. Wonderful girl. Wonderful. Define the heel by saying good when she's doing it. Good. Good. Heel. Good. Wonderful. 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 Heel. So not holding the leash tight. Good girl. Wonderful. Wonderful. Heel. Good. Good girl. Good. She's a good girl. Good. Good girl. Good. Good. Wonderful. Well, wonderful. So that's our behavior right there. We're just starting to give it a name. More updates soon.